I'm going to be showing you 3 great ways to preserve pears today. I'll show you how to water bath the first 2 recipes so that they're shelf stable. If you don't want to do that, you can of course use them straight away or pop them in the freezer instead. This is a really brilliant recipe and the ginger perfectly complements the pears. I'm using ginger in syrup here, but if you can't get hold of that, then you could use crystallised ginger or even fresh ginger. You can also add a splash of water or some orange juice if the pears are sticking. I'll show you how to bottle that in the next section, but if you want to use it fresh, pop it into a gratin dish and cover it with some crumble topping. You can also make your crumble topping in advance, and it freezes really well, so it's handy to have a big batch in the freezer ready to go. Poached pears are a firm favourite in our house, especially with vanilla ice cream. You could instead add a cinnamon stick, cardamom pods or star anise. I've tried all of those in the past and they work really well. You really can't beat a homemade chutney. This next recipe is a pear and walnut chutney, which is really great. This recipe is super simple too. All you need to do is pop all of the ingredients into a pan and let them cook for a couple of hours until the chutney is thick. I had a few figs in my garden, so I've chopped those up and popped them in too. As most chutneys, this is really great with some cheese or a charcuterie board. Thanks for watching.